All right, I have my beautiful model, Lisa, here, and she has gray hair, and I feel like having to style your brows is sometimes a little bit tricky, figuring out which shade to use. It's like
so true.
Something you always are like, do I go with what I used to go with? And I feel like the one thing that changes with gray hair is like the colors that you would choose. So we're gonna do a little bit of both. So we're gonna do a gray tone and then something that is gonna be a little bit more impactful, but a darker tone. So it'll almost bring out the lowlights in your hair. So let's try them both out and we can see which one kind of speaks to you. All right, let's start off with something that is a little bit more in the gray family. This one is Cool Gray. It's by Benefit. It's the Precisely My Brow Pencil. Many brands make things that are in like cool neutral tones. That is definitely something I would look out for when searching for a color. Usually it'll say neutral or cool in the name, and that's how you know that that's really what you're wanting to go for first. And that's really because the warmth in your hair is gone, right? So we want it to really reflect that in your brow as well. So it's kind of mimicking what would be the most natural. But if you are gonna make them bigger or wanting to make more of a statement with your brow, definitely fill more towards the top as opposed to underneath.
Okay.
That way it'll keep that space really open between your lash line and your brow. So this color is really gorgeous. It's more of a natural effect. So here is just a swatch of that gray brown tone. So really cool, really natural. It's keeping it a little lighter. And then this one is the darker tone. And that'll really bring out like the lowlights in your hair. It's also gonna be a little bit more impactful. So if you like something that's really gonna frame out your eye, or if you're doing like, let's say a lip, but you don't wanna do maybe a full eye look, you could balance it out with a deeper brow. Exactly. So let's go ahead and do this side and we'll just see which one's speaking to you. And this shade is called Granite. I love this. These look very different, but definitely both suit you really, really well.
Oh, so different.
They both are really, really nice on you, though. You can pull both off.
This feels more dramatic.
Right?
Like more for evening.
If you had to choose which one you wanted to wear today, which one would you wear?
I would probably wear the lighter.
Yeah, for everyday wear.
Just because I'm a little wimp about trying new things.